Hello and welcome to this video. Today, friends, I will show with you how to activate Costa gift cards. So, friends, if you want to activate Costa coffee gift cards, the first step you need to purchase your gift card. Choose the gift card you want to buy. For example, this one. Choose your amount you want to buy, and then choose your quantity and select your value. After that, like a simple message from here. After buying this your gift card, go to top up option. When you go to top up option, you will see gift card number. Enter your gift card's number here. You can find back on your card. As I say, this is important points, friends. Just write your number from your gift card, or you can write your email address. For example, this is your email address that purchased the gift cards, and then click top up. So, friends, this is as you can see in this case, you can activate your gift card successfully without any problem. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. Just choose the gift card and then click on top up. This is how you can do to activate your gift